Okay, this time we will create a 2D line chart. Like on the screen using primitive geometry, we will make it in Netbeans software. After Netbeans is open like this, next, we create a new project called Mainline Chart. And a tab will appear called Mainline Chart. Then import the JFrame class from the JavaX Swing package which is needed to create the application window. And because we don't need this line, we will delete it so that our work page is neater. Next, enter the code to create an application window. This window is called Experiment Line Chart and has a size of 600 by 500 pixels to be suitable for displaying graphs. Next, the program creates an object of the line_calculus class, which is responsible for creating line graphs, although details of the line_calculus class are not included in this code snippet. Objects created from that class will be used to display the line graph within the window. After the main project tab is finished, we create the project class like this. Here we start by declaring the packages and imports needed to use the classes in the java.awt and JavaX Swing packages. Then we make this class extend panel, which means it will be the panel where we will draw the graph. Here we will add a constructor, set the size of the panel preferences and set its background color to white. This method will be called when the panel needs to be redrawn. Gets a graphics to the object to draw the elements in the panel. Next, create a general path that represents the line on the graph. This path is then drawn in blue and to pixels thick. Here we create manual coordinates for each line to match our wishes. For this function, write the numbers on the y-axis and label the month names at the bottom of the graph. We will create a round shaped circle and fill it with red. Represents certain values on a graph. In the last command, we will define the values to be displayed on the graph and write them near the corresponding points on the graph. When all the commands have been completed, try checking your work page again and try running. Here I actually have doubts about this line, but let's try running it and we'll see what will happen. It turns out the result is an error in the main project. Let's double check together. It turns out there was a name error in the class name, and also a package declaration that we didn't need, so we just delete it and we try running. Yeah, finally it worked. Good luck.